Well, I've just bought a cheap eBay compressor, so I thought I would do an initial review of it to let you guys know if it's any good or not. The first thing I notice is I guess it's been stored outside because the box is covered in bird shit. Let's hope it's not full of rust when I open it up if it's been stored badly. The main reason for buying this compressor is I'm building this car at the moment, and I am just about the stage ready to paint the chassis. So to get most of the chassis is going to be on display, so to get a good finish we're going to be spray painting the chassis, but it will also be used for just general stuff in the garage. And probably its very first job is going to be inflating that tyre on my van that's gone down. Alright, so let's see what we've got in here. Got some wheels for it, and call those little fingers first. Some instructions and a couple of connectors. Hopefully from transportation we have oil all over the place, so I guess the first thing to do is make sure the oil level is topped up. Now shut off. I'm surprised how close this thing gets itself to the red line before it shuts off, but I guess that's okay. So I've used the compressor a couple of times now. I've added on a couple of these water catcher things to dehumidify the air that's coming out. Seems to be working fine. The one thing that is noticeable, now I know it's fairly common with most compressors, is it is quite loud. So I've got my trusty dB meter there. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Anyway, I hope you find that review handy. There's the blurb on it. Happens to have this name on it. I'm quite sure that sticker does come off, and it's probably exactly the same one. Is probably sold under many different names. So if you see one on eBay that's cheap, looks the same, the chances are it is the same. Anyway, there we go. I can't really say anything more about it. Obviously I can't say long-term reliability because I've not had it that long. But 130 quid seems to do the job that I bought it for.